Hello. Hello. Olivia. Where are you? Where are you? I can't see you. You don't have video. Unmute and unmute now. Hello.
Hello.
I can hear you now. Okay, we'll start video later. Okay, understand. Olivia? Oh, hello. Mommy or grandma?
Cheche.
Nice to see you again, Olivia. Hello, Olivia. How are you today?
I'm happy today.
Instead of I'm happy, you also can say I'm glad or I'm fine. I'm good. I'm great today. Yes. Okay, now I will start my lights. Can you see me now clearly?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Olivia, what did you do today? Can you please tell me what did you do today?
Yes. Home.
Oh, just at home. You stay at home. Do you have school today?
No.
Oh, don't have school today. So you only watch TV. Watch TV or play with your sister. Okay, please say, Olivia, I only stay at home.
I always stay at home.
Yes, I don't have school today.
I don't have.
Mm-hmm. Very good. And I watch TV and play with my sister. I watch TV and
And
play.
with my sister.
Very good. Did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Oh, what did you eat? What did you eat, Olivia? Rice. I eat.
Rice and chicken and fish.
Wow, that's delicious. Do you eat fruits? Do you eat fruits?
No.
Oh, but what is your favorite fruit?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Yes, I love watermelon. Say, I love watermelon. Okay, now Olivia, are you ready to our lesson? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, I am ready. Let's go. I need some energy. Yes,
I read
very good. Okay, let's start with page. What page is this? 54.
Track 54.
Okay, what happened? Okay.
Track 54. New words.
Listen Point and repeat.
P, pa, pa, pa,
Pants.
pa, pa,
Pants.
pa, pa,
Pizza.
pizza,
Potato.
potato,
Pen.
pen,
Q, qua,
Qua. Question.
qua,
Question.
Qua. Queen.
Queen.
Qua. Quilt.
Quiet.
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 R, ru,
Robot.
robot,
Red.
red,
Run.
Run.
Ring.
Ring.
Yes, good job. Okay, now I will ask a question, Olivia. What is this?
Pen.
It's a pants. Yes, what is the use for pants? What is pants? It's
It's
clothes. It's a clothes. Next. What is this?
a.
Pizza. Yes. Do you like pizza?
Yes.
There is a lot of flavor of pizza. What flavor do you like? What flavor do you like?
Yes.
Pepperoni?
Yes.
Yes, pepperoni. Very good. How about this? What's this? What vegetable is this, Olivia? It's a potato. Potato. Yes. Do you like eating potato?
No.
Why? You don't like the taste?
Yes.
Oh, but what vegetable do you like?
Fish.
Oh,
Um,
fish is a meat. Vegetable. Broccoli, eggplant, other vegetable, carrots, cabbage. What vegetable do you like?
Chicken.
Oh, that is meat. You don't eat vegetable? You know, vegetable is good for our skin. To make us prettier. Okay, next. How about this? What's this?
Pen.
A pen. What is the use of pen?
For.
For
For. Two. Erase.
what is the use of pen? Writing. Writing. Drawing. Yes. Okay, next. How about this? What is this, Olivia?
Question.
Question mark. Yes. Question mark. Do you always ask questions?
Yes.
Yes. For example, what question? What question? What question? For example, how are you today? That is question. Next. What's this? Queen. This is a queen. Mhm. So, do you know who is the Queen of England?
No.
Yes, Queen of England is Queen Elizabeth. What do you know about Queen? What do you know about Queen Olivia? Hello, are you there? Olivia.
Yes.
Okay, what do you know about Queen? What do you know, Olivia, about Queen? The Queen is living in a castle. The Queen have a beautiful crown. Yes, that is the Queen. Next, quilt. Yes, what is quilt?
Ma.
A map or quilt is for example of clothing or some cloth. Next, how about this? What's this?
Quiet.
Quiet. When we should quiet? When?
Somebody
When?
thinks with quiet.
Mm, yes, when somebody is sleeping or somebody have um have studying. Yes, you need to be quiet. Very good. Well done. And the next is let's have R. R. What's this?
Robot.
Robot. Yes. If robot is a toy, what kind of robot do you like? What kind of robot do you like, Olivia? Robot cat or robot dog?
Robot cat.
Robot cat. Meow, meow, meow. Next. Oh, what's this? What color is this?
Rat.
Red. Yes. Do you like color red?
No.
No. But what color do you like?
Color pink.
Pink. Yes. But you know, red is much more clear when you are marking some important things. Yes. Okay, next. What movement is this? Oh, what movement is this?
Run.
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 Do you like running?
Yes.
Yes. At school, there is a PE and it's called marathon. It's running. Mhm. Okay, next is, what's this?
Ring.
Ring. Wow. Do you have your own ring? Do you have ring, Olivia?
Yes.
Yes. How many? How
A
many
lot.
ring?
A lot.
A lot. Wow. Yes. Ring is for girls only or for boys?
Girls only.
But you know, ring is for girls and boys. Yes. For example, having a marriage, yes, a marriage, there is a wedding ring. A wedding ring for the wife and wedding ring for the husband. That's why two rings for boys and for girls. Okay, Olivia, we are done. Now, listen and repeat the words again. Repeat the words again, Olivia. The audio starts now.
Track 55.
Listen and repeat the words again. P.
Pants.
Pants. Pants.
Pizza.
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 Potato.
Potato.
Pen.
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 Q. Qu.
Q.
Question.
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 Queen.
Queen.
Quilt.
Quilt.
Quiet.
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 R. R.
Robot.
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 Red.
Red.
Run.
Run.
Ring.
Ring.
Mm. Well done. Good job. Now we have repeat the words. Let's proceed to listen and circle the correct picture. Okay, let's start. Number 1.
Track 56.
Listen and circle the correct picture. Number 1.
Pants.
P. Pen.
Number 2.
R.
R.
Ring.
Number 3.
Quiet.
Number 4.
Pen.
Okay, very good. Let's check your answer. Number 1 is... Okay, number 1 is P. What is number 1?
Pants.
Pants. Very good. Number 2? What is number 2, Olivia?
Ring.
Ring. Good job. Next, number 3. What number 3 is?
Quiet.
Quiet. And number 4, the last is? What is number 4?
Pen.
Pen. Good job. Now, let's circle the correct letter. Okay, what's this? This is P. This is P. This is P, Olivia. This is P. What letter starts from quilt? Qu. This is P. What is your answer in number 1? Number 1 is Q. Quilt. Okay, what is number 1? What's the correct answer in number 1? What is the correct answer? Is this P? This is letter P. This is letter Q. What's the correct answer? The correct answer is Quilt. Yes, let's check. Quilt. Q. Number 2 is? What is number 2?
Pizza.
Pizza. And number 3 is?
Robot.
Robot. Yes, very good. That is a robot. Well done. You have answered it all correctly. And because of that, I'm giving you a teddy bear, a cute teddy bear. Yes, a cute teddy bear. Good job. Now let's have the next page. What we have here. Okay, let's have some warm up. I will play the audio now.
Track 57. Wrap up.
Listen to the beginning sound. Circle the correct picture. Number 1.
Number 1.
R.
Number 2.
Ring.
Number 3.
Qu. Qu.
Okay, let's listen again. Now answer number 1, Olivia.
Track 57. Wrap
Wrap
up.
up.
Listen to the beginning sound. Circle the correct picture. Number 1.
R. R.
Ring.
Number 2.
P, 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 p.
Number 3.
Qu.
What?
Qu.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Number 3 is qua. Queen. Yes, circle the queen. Very good. Let's check your answer. Ring, pizza, and queen. Now, listen and write the letter that begins the word. Okay, I will play the audio.
Track 58.
Listen and write the letter that begins the word. Number 1.
Number 1.
Ring. Ring.
Ring. What letter starts with ring?
Number 2.
Pen. Pen.
Number 3.
Quilt. Quilt.
Quilt.
Number 4.
Run. Run.
Run. Very good. Okay, this is, what letter is this, Olivia?
R.
R. Okay, letter R, letter P, Q, and R. Very good. Okay, do you want to play a game, Olivia? Let's play a game.
No.
You don't like. Why you don't like? Let's play a game. Okay, you will guess the picture like this. Okay, what we have here. Guess 2 picture, 1 word. Okay, you will be this time. You will be team 1 and I will be team 2. Okay, go. Choose.
Number 4.
Okay, number 4 is
Honeymoon.
honeymoon. Very good. Next, my turn. Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger, your turn.
Number 3.
Number 3. Okay. Rain.
Rainbow.
Perfect. Rainbow. My turn. Ice cream. Ice cream. I love ice cream. Your turn.
Number
11, 12, 13, 14.
14.
Okay. Enough is 14, 15, or 16.
Number 5.
5. Okay. Give points to team 2. How many? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. How many? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
20.
20 points. Okay, my turn. Video game. Your turn.
Number 7.
7. What's this?
Earring.
Earring. Next, my turn. Jellyfish. Yes, your turn. 12, 15, 13. 9. Number? Number 8. What is this? What is it? Pop. What's this?
Wait.
Corn.
Corn.
Okay, what is this? It's a popcorn. Okay, my turn. Watermelon. Watermelon. Your turn. 13, 9, 12, 6, 2, 1.
Number 2.
2. Swap points. Oh my God. My turn. Butterfly. Butterfly. Okay, last 4. Olivia. 1, 6, 9, 13.
Number 6.
6. Receipt all scores. Oh my God. Back to 0. My turn. What is it? Cowboy. Cowboy. Your turn.
Number
9, 13.
14.
13. Win 50 points. Oh my God. Strawberry. Okay. You are the winner. Congratulations. You are the winner, Olivia. Congratulations. Now, I will give a score. Let's have a grade for today. Olivia. Okay, active in listening, reading, active in reading, being on time, never late, doing homework, doing tasks, and good student, helping each other on task, participating in our every lesson, persistence in our exams, okay, and working hard. Okay, that is all for tonight. Bye-bye, Olivia. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye. Thank you, Grandma, Mommy. Bye. Good night.